Hello and welcome back. In the previous video, we already deployed DB service and we also got virtual IP address of DB service because DB service is a backend. But we cannot test this, right? We have to have front end, and now we are going to set up our front end server known as web server. What I'm doing, I'm going to close all this, and here we are going to set up web server. So here the process remains same. Step 1, we have to create custom image, and all the source code we have is into the web folder. So going back to the lab sample folder, here it is web folder, going inside this, and I want to make sure that which files we must have. So here we have Docker file and app.py. So let's give ls command. So yes, I have Docker file and app.py. So everything is good. Now we have to build image using this file. So I'm going to use docker build -t web. It is going to create one image. If you look at this right now, I don't have any image with the name images with the name web. So I'm going to create this. Yes, it will build image web, and then you can verify this image. Again, the story remains same, that we have this web image, and this web image must be same, like available in all the worker nodes. Definitely we will set up automation for this, but right now we are doing this manually using hub.docker.com. So here we have all the step. As you know that we are repeating this again. So I have just added here because you guys can perform this. I have clear understanding about this. So I'm going to do this right now from the manager. The first part is always Docker tag, then the image name. Image name is web.latest. Then you have to provide your repository name. Here I have this repository name. Okay, and then colon and whatever the name or tag you want to provide. Just done. Here I am going to give command. Here I got this, right? Now I have to pull this. As you know that I am inside my repository. I have two images here, and I am going to upload another image with the tag web. So here I have two. So Docker login. I am already logged in, so I know it will not going to ask me any question. And Docker push. Here we have image name. Right, now it is going to push. I have to pull them from both the worker nodes, so I'm going to use this. Okay, let me verify. Yeah, if you are getting this, like I'm getting this already exists, no problem. It is for the demo that I have used. So you guys can pull and push this image. So I'm going to use the same thing. Now it is downloading. We don't need to worry about this. We have completed all this, and at the end we will get this image. Let's give Docker image, and here we got this web, and here we have this as well. So done, shared the image. Now the main part is to create service. Now deploying service using custom image, but this time we have to publish the port because it is a front end. Look at this picture. Here we have to use ingress routing. So yeah, we have to use front end here. So this will be like this, right? So now let's go to manager node, Docker service create, name my web service. It is going to connect with overlay network that we have created, replicas 3, and it is going to publish port number 80 because then it will be open to all over the world over the internet. So let me go to the manager. Now here I just need to change the image name. Okay, this is the image that we are going to use. So I'm going to copy this and pasting here. You have to make sure that your image is available across all the worker node. That's all. This is the main point over here. And now our processes. Ready? If I am going to give command docker service docker service ls, I have two services running over here, my database, which is my backend, and this is my front end. Okay. Now, I want to access this service, docker service ps my web service. 3 tasks are running. I can use any public IP address in order to open this. Okay. So yeah, it is now verified. Now what we are doing, access the service. So you can use any public IP. I am going to use manager's public IP and I am going to open this particular application.
Sorry guys, sorry to disturb you. I know you all are enjoying the session and suddenly it stopped. But if you want full video or if you want full Docker course having 130 plus videos including projects, you can become our community member. Enrollment link is in description. Moreover, we also provide 24/7 support, weekly lifetime live session with Bhavesh Shatara, updates and completion certification as well. Still you have any queries regarding it, you can contact me on my personal number. Thank you.